So this is our app, Care to Translate, and this is an account created for a radiology department. You can see the blue icons on the screen, and these are playlists, which are like different steps or different situations within the patient journey, where you need to inform the patient, instruct the patient, or ask questions. I have selected Italian as the patient language, as that is my native language, and I will now go into one of these playlists, for example, the CT examination playlist. And you can see that there is a set of phrases structured in a certain order, which of course can be revised and changed. And to translate, you can simply press on a phrase.
Sta per essere visitata utilizzando questo metodo.
And the phrase is translated via audio and text formats. So you can let the patient know you're going to be examined using this method, CT.
Tomografia computerizzata, TC.
You can instruct the patient to take off these items.
Tolga questi oggetti.
For example, any metal objects that you are wearing.
Qualsiasi oggetto metallico che indossa.
And you might have noticed that some of our phrases display a small image icon. This is image support, which can be used to convey the meaning of the phrase further. So for example, with this phrase, if you want to support what you are saying, you can use an image to show the patient. You can also let the patient know, we will put a radiation protective garment on you.
Le metteremo un indumento protettivo contro le radiazioni.
And again, you can show an image to support what you're trying to say. Now you can ask questions as well.
Le è mai stato somministrato un mezzo di contrasto prima d'ora?
For example, have you been given contrast fluid before? And you can see that when you're asking a question, there are built-in answers within the app. So you can either instruct the patient to please nod for yes and shake your head for no. Alternatively, the patient can press on one of the built-in answers. For example, yes.
Yes.
And in this case, the audio recording plays in the healthcare staff language. Now, if you want to search for a phrase that is not currently in the playlist, you can of course search the entire library. So you can, for example, type a keyword or phrase, for example, contrast fluid, and again, you can see all of the phrases related to contrast fluid, and you can choose one and translate.
Il mezzo di contrasto rende le immagini più chiare.
And you can translate from the search function as well. Now you can, of course, change the language, the patient language at any point. So for example, you click on the language icon and you can either scroll down and choose a language, or you can type. I will choose German. And if it's a gendered language, like German is, you will be prompted to select whether the patient is addressed as male or female. And now you can ask the same question.
Haben Sie schon einmal Kontrastmittel verabreicht bekommen?
In the new patient language.